Hello, everyone. It's about that time. And yes, the holidays are approaching, and I have some new dishes to share with you all. So stay tuned for my new holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a cheesy chili cheeseburger casserole, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. In this large pot, I am preparing my pasta. I'm getting the water ready. I'm adding just a little salt, and this is optional. Letting you all know that I am doubling my recipe. I'm using like 3 pounds of ground beef. If you're not cooking for a lot of people, I have a written recipe that I'm giving y'all, okay? It's just for a single, but like I say, this recipe is double. Okay, I just turned on my heat and I'm breaking up the ground beef, just to make it smaller. Now we're adding our seasoning. We're adding our onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and Creole seasoning. Now we're mixing our seasonings into our ground beef. Now we're adding our chopped bell peppers, and our chopped onions. Now we're mixing our meat and chopped vegetables together. We're going to continue to mix till there's no longer any pink in our meat. This is what we're looking for. Our meat no longer have any pink in it. Now we're moving on to our next step. I just tasted our meat and it needs some more Creole seasoning, so I'm adding some more. Be very careful because you may overdo it with the salt. Make sure you taste it and just add a little bit at a time. Here we're using our Rotel Tomatoes. You can use the original, or you may use the mild, or you can use a regular can of Petite Tomatoes. Now we're adding our chili powder, and we're going to give this a quick stir. Now it is time to reduce our heat to a slow simmer. Our elbow pasta is ready, and it's ready to be drained and added to our meat. And we're going to add all our pasta to this and stir it up well. Now we're adding our cream of chicken. Since I'm making quite a bit, I'm adding 2 cans. And we're going to continue to mix. And now we're adding a little Cajun seasoning. If you don't prefer the spiciness, just use regular seasoned salt to your taste. After tasting it, I decided to add some more chili powder because I want that chili taste. Now we're adding our tomato sauce. And our Velveta cheese. Before adding my cheese, I did turn off my heat. What I like about this casserole, this is a stovetop casserole and you do not have to place it in the oven unless you prefer to. But everything is ready and good to go. So what I'm doing now, adding my Mexican cheese. And we're going to give this a quick stir. And smooth this down. And then add our cheddar cheese. And I'm going to place the lid on top of this pot and just let the cheese melt. All right, we're going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. My grandchildren, they really love this casserole, y'all. I just wanted to share it with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!